Ethnic friends do not stand in the ranks of angry homegrown enemies. Most people who speak in the middle without listening to the whole thing are fools. A stupid person has less ability to listen. That's why he talks more and listens less. A fool answers before listening, and a wise man learns by listening or smiles. If Allah is angry, He does not take away the bread, but He takes away the opportunity of prostration. The real trust is that a person should not hope in anyone except Allah. A person realizes his helplessness when he longs to see, hear and talk to someone. Life has taught many things. Books have guided. But the lessons given by human behavior were not written on any page of life or on any page of a book. One enemy is better than 100 friends who has hatred in his heart but not hypocrisy. A person who breaks a person's heart cannot find Allah. A pessimistic person misses every good opportunity, and an optimistic person finds an opportunity in every problem. The most expensive thing in the universe is feeling, which not every person in the world has. Wealth of money is common. Wealth of heart Allah gives to someone. The beauty of the form pleases the eyes only, while the beauty of the character conquers the hearts. Speak thoughtfully. Word introduce generations. Thinking should be good. Because it is possible to treat vision but not ideology. Start your day with 3 things: endeavor, truth, belief. Endeavor, to improve the world. Truth, with your work. Belief, in the self of Allah. Prayer is the best way to meet Allah. The best person is recognized by action. Otherwise, good things are written on the walls. The cup of human greed is never filled because the names are holes of ungratefulness that never fill it.